guys, umiiyak na naman siya kasi ang gusto na naman niyang laro paganyanin. Paganyanin na lang lagi, Gabriel. Hindi naman dapat ganon. Oh, you're playing a toy blocks. Stop crying. Stop crying, okay? Oh, this is you. It's mine. Pero umiyak ka, tumatawa ka dyan. Get the blue, B. Got blue. Copy Ate Jinky, oh. Shoot Ate Jinky the blue. How about Gabriel? Oh, go your blue now. Shoot the blue. Very good. How about the yellow? You get your own. Where's the yellow? Wrong. I said yellow. Yan, yellow. How about blue? Get the blue? Blue. Gabriel, you get the blue. Oh, get the blue na. Go. Wrong. I said blue. Where's the blue? Copy. See? Oh, red. Red. Oh, you get the red. Go red. Hindi pala kami parehas. Hindi kami parehas. But it's okay. Kahit paano. Kahit mali-mali yung napipili niya, tinatry niya pa rin gawin. Pero with crying. Oh my God, Gabriel. With crying na naman siya. Kasi yung gusto na naman niyang laro ay patunugin ng patunugin. Pero it's okay pa din naman. At least sinusubukan niyang gawin. Yung gayahin niya ang aking gusto na kulay. Okay?